So guys, for the first step, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the second step, you want to go to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter, double click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that you have obtain an IP address automatically selected, and now under it you want to select use the following DNS server address. You want to make the first line 8888, and you want to make the second line 8844, and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS, and then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset, and then click on enter again. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.